Okay, so welcome to the FabLab of WAZER Paris. This is a creative space where students can do everything they want, literally. It's a space where we bring our ideas to reality with tools like the WAZER, just right there. Hey, so I'm Jeanne, a student at WAZER Paris.
And I'm Robin, a student at ECE Paris 2, and we work together at the FabLab.
Yeah, and here anyone can learn, build everything, experiment with a super cool machine.
Including our favorite one, the WAZER.
Okay, so we mainly use the WAZER to create pieces or build some stuff for our projects.
And here is our coolest build, the T-Rex, which was made using the WAZER, and it has some pretty cool cuts and are really precise.
So here a quick look behind the scenes with the raw plate, the pieces coming out, and our very little metal T-Rex coming to life. This one is definitely my favorite project with the WAZER.
So what I like most is how easy it is to use. You just upload your file, press start, and it does the rest.
Personally, I really love it because it can cut almost any material like metal, glass, ceramic without burning or deforming it, and the result looks just amazing. So before we had the WAZER, we mainly use manual tools or laser cutters, which limited our materials that we could work with.
And now with the WAZER, we can cut metal, we can cut stone and use the results straight from the machine. It really bridges the gap between creativity and production. We can imagine something in the morning and have it straight on the machine in the afternoon.